Always, sinasabi nga natin, if you're playing against your former team, you always have a point to prove.
Especially kapag hindi maganda yung pagkakaliwat mo. Kagaya na nangyari dito kay Artadi and the Pure Foods team.
Ito, muntik pa makaagaw si Paul Artadi.
And a lot of yung pinapakita niya to ability to recover. Kanina out of sync itong si Artadi pero nagawa pa rin niya ng paraan through hard work.
Ito yung si Ralimi. Binigay kay baksak dito si JJ Helterbrand. And he's still on the floor holding on to his right eye.
And I think the forearm of Ralimi hit him in an attempt to give a pick dito kay Roger Yap.
Oo nga, ito makikita natin dito Ito yung handoff no? Yung pag-handoff, ayun. Ako, napakalaking brasong tumama dyan sa mukha nitong si JJ Helterbrand.
So it's the forearm. As we were mentioning, not the elbow, pero sabi mo nga, ang laki kasi ng braso nitong si Ralimi.
Here's JJ Helterbrand. Bigyan ng screen itong si Alexander. Helterbrand sumugod sa loob. Wala. Here's Kirby Raimundo leading the break behind the back dribble. And he will lose control.
And you tend to overdo some things Hindi naman si Kirby Raimundo ang best dribbler dito sa liga. Pero nakita nyo, may pagkakataon
Ito na ngayon. Si Roger Yap. Si pari pumoste dito ni Kirby Raimundo na agaw ni Paul Artadi. Artadi streaking down court. Artadi kicks it out to JJ Helterbrand for 3. No! Rebound to Rico Villanueva na wala yung bola. Sino makakapulot? Inuko si Junti Valenzuela. Eye in the sky. Wala. Hindi nakakuha ni Chris Alexander. Lead pass to James Yap. James Yap naman ang susugod. Right-handed layup is good.
That basket by James Yap can actually start something big for his offense and for his team's cause. He ties the ball game at 78. And that's our 11th deadlock of the ball game.
And that's the 10th point in the ball game for James Carlos Yap. Ito na ngayon si Junti Valenzuela. May siya kanya 3-point attempt. And Kirby Raimundo grabs that loose ball.
And some signs of exhaustion dito sa mga players natin. Hindi na makatungo
Ito ngayon, hard foul by Chris Alexander on Rico Villanueva.
Pero pinagpaglang ni Rico Villanueva, wala naman nangyayari. Ay ni Rico. So, ngayon yan, nag-mature na rin itong si Rico. That was a very hard foul.
Hindi lang yun. 7-footer yun ang bigay ng hard foul
Pero, higa nga si Rico, hindi rin na uma-address yan. But you see the maturity in him right now.
Ito ngayon si Rico Villanueva at the line. 8 points and 7 boards. In his first free throw.
At si Rico Villanueva nakapagtala na ng kanyang pang-siyam na puntos. Another point and he will give another 2-point lead for his team. The biggest lead for Pure Foods is 6. The biggest lead for Barangay Ginebra is 8.
And second one rattles out.
So eto, endgame na tayo. Makikita mo na rito ang timely timeouts ng magkabilang coaches dito. Very important possessions, especially na 1-point lead, 2-point lead lang ating nakikita. So it's either a lead change or a tie ball game. It is very important to actually measure kung yung steadiness at composure ng iyong mga bata rito.
Kaya na ito, 30-second timeout. Ito na itong si Coach Joey Chico. And sabi mo nga kanina, the players on the floor really exhausted. And dito lalabas talaga yung determination, yung desire to win dito sa last 3 minutes and 21 of the fourth quarter. As you take a look at the crowd inside the venue, really enjoying this ball game, as well as our friends na nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay. Mr. Rexford Lee, magandang gabi po sa iyo. At sa inaanak kong si Zach.
Ayan, kay kumparing Totit Cordoba at sa kanyang asawa ay maligayang pagbalik dito sa Pilipinas.
Ito na ngayon, si Junti Valenzuela, hindi ba ibigay sa poste kay Chris Alexander. Here's Junti Valenzuela. Binigyan ng screen ni Billy Mamaril. 6 seconds to shot clock. Junti Valenzuela makes his move. He spins. He goes up. Wala yung bola. Ayun, labas yung bola. 2 seconds na lamang ang natitira.
So coming from the timeout, it's a good defensive job on the part of the Giants
2 seconds. Ito na ngayon si Hildebrand. Beats the clock. What a big basket here by JJ Hildebrand. More importantly, binigay na ulit yung lamang sa Barangay Ginebra.
Napasaltik si Coach Ryan. 22 seconds silang na-depensa na maganda. Sa last second pa nawala.
They're looking for Kirby Raimundo at the post against Junti Valenzuela. Pero talagang ayaw ibigay ni Junti. Pero sabi ng referee, masyado mo namang kinapitan.
Oo, pero wala pa sa penalty itong Barangay Ginebra. So, sideline inbound lamang yan. Although, for Junti, that would be his 5th personal foul already.
And he knows it. Kaya sabi niya, he signals to his bench, to his coach na okay lang raw. Huwag na muna siya ilabas. Pero ito, atakihin na kagad ng Pure Foods si Junti. He needs some help. Ayan na nga si Billy Mamaril. Pumat naman si Villanueva. Nasaraduhan ni Alexander. Na-double teammate si Villanueva. 4 seconds sa shot clock natitira para dito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
But both teams really showing their grit, determination to stop their enemies.
Ito na yung James Yap. Will he do a Hildebrand? Oh, stepping on the sideline. Natawag against James Yap.
And Ronald Tubid, kahit masakit na kanyang may iniinday ito, may konting groin injury, pero nadepensahan pa rin na maigi.
Eh, nag-exchange siya ng low 5 doon sa mga fans ng Pure Foods. Ang ginawa, sinuntok yung kamay niya. Ito na ngayon si Junti against Kirby, isolated at the right side. Junti crossover. Hey, yo-yo niya, wala. Chris Alexander, wala pa rin. Loose ball foul. Tatawag dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
But you see, yung pasok na yun ni Junti Valenzuela, kaya niya ayaw pang graduate. Alam niya, ang dami pa niyang magagawa dito sa loob ng court. With that penetrating move, nagkulap sa kanya ang depensa, freeing up Chris Alexander for the offensive rebound. You see.
Oo, if you're a player, ito na nga yung kasarapan ng laro eh. Dito sa endgame, ganitong kadikitan laban.
And you would always want to be in the middle of the game.
Here's Junti Valenzuela. He shoots a 3. No! Repito ang ating mga referee. Over the top yung bola. So, ball will go back to the Pure Foods TJ Giants. The chance for Pure Foods to get back the lead as a 30-second timeout this time is called by Coach Ryan Gregorio. Ganun pong ka-importante itong possession na to para sa Pure Foods.
It's just a 1-point lead. So ang Barangay Ginebra, kahit nakakalamang, no way will they be complacent in this defensive job.
In the meantime, pakilala po natin ang ating mga top player league leaders. Ayan po si Jason Dixon, Chris Alexander, JJ Hildebrand, Ryan Reyes, and Chris Alexander also in the blocks. That was our top players brought to us by Top Power Energy Drink. Top Power Energy.
It's nice to see locals, like itong si Mark Agiwa, una sa puntos, at pagdating naman sa steal si Ryan Reyes. Although we see another Barangay Ginebra in Chris Alexander leading the league in blocks.
Yun na nga. So ito na lang, 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Pure Foods down by a point. Pero bola po ng Pure Foods TJ Giants. Here's James Yap. Siya po mag-inbound.
And PJ Simon is inside. Alam mo naman pag nasa